So I'm going to lay my t-shirt on a fabric like this, and the printing on my head is called DTF, direct transfer. So I'm going to remove my transfer sheet in order to transfer it to the transfer sheet. So I'm going to place the transfer sheet on the printing. After placing it on it like this, so I'm going to use it to pick up the printing. Remember, it is called DTF. So if you don't know how to make this, I've dropped a link to the video on how I do this DTF. So as you can see that it has picked the DTF from the original nylon. So after that, I'm going to place it at the center of the cloth. So after placing it at the center of the t-shirt, I'm going to place my Teflon paper on it because I'm not going to iron directly on that printing. So I'll place the Teflon paper on it and I will start ironing. So when I'm done with my ironing, I'm going to remove the transfer sheet like this, and already the DTF has been gummed to the t-shirt. So this is how it's going to look after the ironing. As you can see that it looks perfect. So don't forget to like this video, HBNR families. Thanks for watching.